the best grand opening that I've done. This is my third one with the company.
The associates and their families are having a lot of fun with it. They put a lot of hard work and dedication in to get the store ready, so now we get to get back and have a little bit of fun with the customers.
My favorite part was the produce. It's always fresh, it's easy to find, and I don't have, with the 4 kids, I need stuff that's convenient.
Then, you know, you got the pharmacy where you can transfer your information from one location to this one, being so close.
People in this area are so lucky.